We will see together the first training with HTML. So the first thing we must create a file and add the extension .html. So for example, let's create a file on the desktop, and for example, and let's save it on the desktop, and let's call it my first web page, and we must add the extension .html. So here we find my first web page. Let's open with Google Chrome, and let's start. So the first thing HTML, we must add the tag HTML to say that we are working with HTML. And when we open tag, we must close it like this. And inside the HTML, we find the head, another tag. Let's close it. And on the head we find the title of the web page, so let's add the tag, and also the same thing, we must close it. And on the title, for example, my first web page, so let's discover together. So here we find my first web page. Now let's go to the heart of the page. So it is a body, the tag body, and let's close it. And here we find the context of the web page. For example, let's add new text, hello from my first web page, and let's save it and see the changement. So here we find hello from my first web page. Let's for example add title. So title is with the tag h1. So let's close it, and let's for example call it my first or first title, and let's see together. So this is first title, and let's add another title, for example h2, to set that is another title, second title. Now let's see. So this is the second title. Now let's add another text, and when we write text we add the paragraph. The val is p, and let's close it, and let's set here for example hello from empty software, and let's save it. So this is hello from empty software. And now let's add the image. So let's create a new image, for example empty software, and let's set hello, and let's save it on the desktop, and for example hello. So the extension is png. So hello, the image and the web page are the same on the desktop. So let's add here for example the image src. The source is from hello png, and let's close it. So this is the image. Let's add a separator hr, and let's see. So this is the separator. So this is the end of the first tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.